Good morning, children. Welcome to science class. Children, in science class last week, what did we learn? Do you remember that? Yes, we learned our environment. In that lesson, we discussed about biotic and abiotic factors, balanced ecosystem, and benefits of plants. Okay? Now, see this picture. What is this? Yes, cheetah. Okay? And this one, fish. Here also, some deers and elephant are there. Okay? Now, can you guess, children, what are we are going to discuss today? Yes, about animals. Okay? So, today we are going to start a new lesson, Unit 2, Animal Life. Okay? First, we are going to do a book activity in page number 71. See, children, here identify and write the names of the animals by using the keywords given. Children, see here, they have given some pictures as well as some keywords. That picture's name they have given. And here some blanks are there. Okay, now we are going to fill it that blanks with the help of these keywords. Okay, children. See, before we could do that activity, first, here what all is there? Snail, parrot, crocodile, dragonfly, tiger and fish. Okay, children, before we could do this activity, first, do you know what is feathers, fur, shell and fins? Have you ever seen, children? Okay, now we will see. First, this is fins. Okay, all the fish has fins. And these are the shells. Okay, snail has shell. And this is fur. F-U-R, fur. Tiger has fur. And these are feathers. Okay, all the birds have feathers. Okay, now we will do this activity, children. First thing, does it have wings? Does it have wings? If it is yes, we will come this side. Okay, if it is yes, does it have feathers? Under this they have given yes or no. Okay, does it have feathers? Yes means the answer is parrot. Okay, answer is parrot. And does it have feathers? No means, see here, second, does it have feathers? No means which answer will come? Yes, dragonfly. Okay, because dragonfly has wings but it doesn't have feathers. Okay, and next, see, does it have wings? If it is no, we will come this side. Okay, first thing, does it have fur? Yes means the answer is tiger, because tiger has fur. Okay, and second, if it is no, does it have a shell? Shell, which one has shell here? Which one has shell? Yes, snail. Okay, so yes, under the yes, the answer is snail. If it is no, does it have fins? Okay, fins. Which one has fins? Which one has fins? Yes, fish. So, under the yes, we are going to write the answer is fish. And last one, remaining what is there? Crocodile. Okay, under the no, we are going to write crocodile. So, first here, answer is parrot and dragonfly. Okay, and Which one has fur? Tiger. And which one has shell? Snail. And which one has fins? Fish. Okay, and last one, crocodile. So likewise you have to do this activity. Okay, children. Okay, first we learn some new words. See, first one, habitat. 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 Habitat means the living place of an animal or a plant. Okay, is called habitat. Habitat means the living place of an animal or a plant. Second one, terrestrial animal. Terrestrial animal. Terrestrial. Terrestrial animal. Animal. Terrestrial animal. Terrestrial animal means animals that live on land. Okay, animals that live on land. Terrestrial animal. Third one, aquatic animal. Aquatic animal. Aquatic. 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 Aquatic animal. Aquatic animals, that animals that live in water. Okay, animals that live in water are called aquatic animal. Fourth one, marine. Marine means sea water. Okay, marine. marine. Marine means sea water. And last, fifth one, fresh water. Fresh water. Fresh. Fresh water. Water. Fresh water we can take it from well or river. Okay. Next, sixth one, arboreal animal. Arboreal. Arboreal. Arboreal animal. Arboreal animal means animals that live on trees. Okay, animals that live on trees are called arboreal animal. Seventh one, aerial animal. Aerial. Aerial animal. Animals that can fly most of the time are called aerial animals. Okay, all the flying animals, aerial animals. Last one, amphibious animal. Amphibious animal. Amphibious. 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 Amphibious animal. Animals that need both land and water to live. Okay, so these are the 8 words. So the 8 words are habitat, terrestrial animal, aquatic animal, marine, sea water, fresh water, arboreal animal, aerial animal, and last one, amphibious animal. Okay. Okay, children, now let's getting into the lesson. Children, in this lesson we have 5 subtopics. Okay, subtopics are, first one, animals in different environment. Second, how do animals get their food? Classification of animals based on their eating habits. And mouth parts of animals. And last topic, food chain. Okay, today in this class only we are going to discuss these first 2 points only we are going to discuss today. Animals in different environment and how do animals get their food. These 2 topics only we are going to discuss today. Okay, so children, among those topics, first we are going to discuss about animals in different environment. Okay, animals in different environment. See, first, children, where do we live? On earth. Okay, so like us, so many plants and animals also live on earth. So our earth provides place for lakhs and lakhs of animals to live. Okay. See, first, habitat. What is a habitat? The living place of an animal or a plant is called habitat. Okay. Habitat. What is habitat? The living place of an animal or a plant is called habitat. Okay. Now say, what are the basic needs for all the living things? Yes, air, water and food. Okay. So in the habitat we can found so many food, water, shelter and place to breathe. Okay. So children, this habitat, it may be a forest. Okay. Habitat can be as big as a big forest or small leaf. Okay. Habitat may be a big forest or it may be a small leaf. Okay, in big forest, what the different types of animals can live in forest, and small insects or small animals can live on leaf. Okay, so all the animals live in different conditions. Do all the animals in same places? No, all the animals live in different conditions. For example, okay, water forest, that means animals live in, whether it may be a water or land, that means in forest. Okay, for example, first one, whale. Okay, whales live in sea, that means in water. Whales and lion or tiger or fox, this type of animal can live in a forest. Okay, so animals live in different condition. It may be a water or for land. Okay, water, it is a sea, or land means it may be a forest. Okay, so first we are going to say animals live in different condition. I said first thing, land and water. Land and water. Okay, so first, land habitat. What is land habitat? Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animal. Okay, animals that live on land. See, this type of animal can live on land. So terrestrial animal can be divided into two, plains and forest. First, plains. What is plains? Plains are the habitat of animals such as rat, cow, hen, camel, like this. Okay, see here I am going to show you some examples of plains. Okay, goat. See, goat and cow, hen, these are the animals can live on the land, that means on the earth, and take their food from the nature. Okay, so these are the example of plains. Next, second one, water or aquatic habitat. Okay, aquatic, AQUATIC, aquatic habitat. Aquatic animals, animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Okay, animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Children, these aquatic animals can be divided into two types. Okay, freshwater and marine. Okay, freshwater and marine. Freshwater, it may be a well or river or pond, lake, likewise, and marine, it is a seas and ocean. Now we will see one by one. First, about freshwater. Okay, first about freshwater. See, freshwater, pond, lake and river, these are the freshwater habitats. Okay, what are they? Pond, lake and river. These are examples of freshwater habitats. Children, in this, some animals, for example, tortoise and fishes and crab, these are the animals can live in this freshwater habitats. Okay, tortoise, fish and crab, these animals can live in this freshwater habitats. Okay, next, about seawater. Seawater, it may be a ocean and seas. Okay, seas and ocean are the salt water habitats. Okay, that means seawater. Next one is seawater. Okay, seawater means seas, all the seas and oceans are salt water habitats. Okay, seas and ocean are the saltwater habitats. See, in this habitat, that means saltwater habitats, jellyfish. See, this is jellyfish. Jellyfish and starfish. Jellyfish, starfish and shark. These are the animals can live in the seawater. Okay, seawater means saltwater habitats. What are they? Seas and ocean. Okay, so seas and ocean, what are the animals can live? Jellyfish. This is jellyfish. Okay, this is jellyfish. Jellyfish and starfish and shark. These type of animals can live in a seawater. Okay. Children, now we are going to do a book activity in page number 74. Okay. See children, here link the animals that live in water and live on land. Children, here they have given two habitats, water habitats and land habitats. Okay. And also they have given some animals name. Now we have to connect it correctly. Okay. First, see what is this? Pig. Okay, it can live in land, so we have to match it. Land, live on land. And mussel, this type of animals can live in water. Okay, and deer, deer can live on land. Starfish live in water. Dog, dog, say children. Yes, live on land. What about whale? Yes, whale live in water. Frog also live in water. And what about tiger? Tiger can live on land. And see in second line. Okay, second line. First one, monkey can live on land. Crab, crab live in water. Camel on land. Horse, land. What about seahorse? Yes, seahorse live in water. And lion, elephant, cow. These three also live in land. Okay, so likewise you have to do it children. First you have to read all these animals name carefully and you have to think whether it is live in water or land and do it correctly like this. Okay. Next, another activity in page number 75. Okay. Children, here two activities they have given. A. Circle the odd one based on habitat, and B. Write the names of the animal with the help of the clues given. Let's see now one by one. Okay. First one, circle the odd one based on habitat. A. Lion, elephant, monkey and whale. Now we have to find out which one is odd one. Lion, elephant and monkey, these three animals can live on land except whale. Whale is live in water. So the answer is whale. Okay. And B, shark, dog, jellyfish and starfish. Shark, dog, jellyfish and starfish. Here except dog, shark, jellyfish and starfish can live in water, but dog can live on land. So here answer is dog. First one answer whale, second one dog. Okay. Second activity, write the names of the animal with the help of the clues given. Clues, what are the clues they have given? Penguin, whale, octopus and duck. Okay. Now see first one, dash has 8 arms. It lives in the ocean. See pictures also they have given. This first straight they have given. What is this picture children? Yes, octopus. So the answer is octopus. Octopus has 8 arms. It lives in the ocean. Okay. Second one, dash cannot fly but it swims very well. Here what is the picture they are given? Yes, penguin. Okay. So the answer is penguin cannot fly but it swims very well. Okay. Third one, dash is the largest animal in the sea. This is also so easy. Here picture whale. Okay, so the answer is whale. Whale is the largest animal in the sea. And last one, dash is a common water bird. Okay, what is this, children? Yes, duck. So the answer, duck is a common water bird. Once again see, first one, octopus has 8 arms. It lives in the ocean. Second one, penguin cannot fly but it swims very well. Third one, whale is the largest animal in the sea. And last one, duck is a common water bird. Okay? Children, now you are going to color it. Okay? In page number 76, here they have given some pictures of animal. Okay? Color the animals that live in water. See, both animals they have given. That animals can live in water and some animals can live on land. Both animals they have given. Now you have to find out only which animals can live in water. Okay. So for that animals only you are going to color. So which animal and all, now can you guess, children? Which animal and all can live in water? Yes. Fish and seahorse, whale and tortoise. Okay, what are the animals can live in water? Fish, seahorse, tortoise and whale. So for this animal only you are going to color it. Children, now we are going to discuss 3 different types of animals. Okay, 3 different types of animals are arboreal animals, aerial animals and amphibious animals. What is spelling for arboreal? A-R-B-O-R-E-A-L. Arboreal. Aerial. A-E-R-I-A-L. Aerial animals. Amphibious. A-M-P-H-I-B-I-O-U-S. Amphibious animals. Now let's see one by one. First one, arboreal animals. Arboreal animals are animals that live on trees are called arboreal animals. Example, monkeys and squirrel. And second one, aerial animals. A-E-R-I-A-L. Aerial animals. Aerial animals are animals that can fly most of the time are called aerial animals. Okay, examples are the birds. Here I have shown to you eagle and crow. Third one, amphibious animals. Amphibious animals are animals that need both land and water. Okay, animals that need both land and water to live are called amphibious animals. Okay, here examples I have shown to you. Frog, toad and frogs are examples of amphibious animals. Okay, children, today's homework we are going to learn 10 one words and 2 question and answers. Okay, first fill in the blanks. First question, the living place of an animal is called dash. The living place of an animal is called dash. Second one, habitat can be as big as dash. Habitat can be as big as dash. Third question is, animals that live on land are called dash. Animals that live on land are called dash. Fourth question is animals that live in water are called dash. Fifth one, pond, lake and river are dash habitats. Pond, lake and river are dash habitats. Students, now let's see the answers. Okay. See first one, the living place of an animal is called habitat. The first answer is habitat. The living place of an animal is called habitat. What is spelling for habitat? H-A-B-I-T-A-T. Habitat. Second one, habitat can be as big as forest. Forest, F-O-R-E-S-T. So, habitat can be as big as forest. Third one, animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals. Spelling of terrestrial, T-E-R-R-E-S-T-R-I-A-L. Terrestrial animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. Fourth one, animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Aquatic animals. Spelling of aquatic, A-Q-U-A-T-I-C. Aquatic. And fifth one, pond, lake and river are dash habitats. Pond, lake and river are freshwater habitats. Freshwater, F-R-E-S-H. Fresh water, W-A-T-E-R. Water. Children, next 6 to 10. First we read all the questions, then we read with answers. Okay. Sixth question is, starfish is example of dash habitats. Starfish is example of dash habitats. Seventh one, dash is a common water bird. Dash is a common water bird. Eighth one, dash cannot fly but it swims very well. Dash cannot fly but it swims very well. Ninth one, animals that live on trees are called dash animals. Animals that live on trees are called dash animals. And last one, dash is the largest animal in the sea. Dash is the largest animal in the sea. Now let's see the answers. Okay. Starfish is example of saltwater habitats. Starfish is example of saltwater habitats. Salt water, S-A-L-T, salt water, W-A-T-E-R, salt water. Dash is common water bird. Dash is a common water bird. The answer is duck. Duck is a common water bird. D-U-C-K, duck. Eighth one, dash cannot fly but it swims very well. The answer is penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Penguin cannot fly but it swims very well. Ninth one, animals that live on trees are called arboreal animals. Arboreal, A-R-B-O-R-E-A-L. A-R-B-O, arbo, real, R-E-A-L, arboreal animals. Last one, dash is the largest animal in the sea. Whale. The answer is whale. W-H-A-L-E. Whale is the largest animal in the sea. Now let's see question and answers. Okay, 2 questions we are going to learn. First question is, what is habitat? First question, what is habitat? The answer is, the living place of an animal or a plant is called habitat. The living place of an animal or a plant is called habitat. The living place, Living, living, place, Place, place of an animal, 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 or a plant, Plant, is called habitat. Habitat, Habitat, habitat. Next, second question is, give two examples for each. Give two examples for each. A and B. A, terrestrial animal. B, aquatic animals. The answer is terrestrial animal, cat and lion. Aquatic animals, fish and dolphin. Cat, 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 and lion, LION, lion. Aquatic animal, fish and dolphin, FISH, fish, and dolphin, DOLPHIN, dolphin. So, one more time. First question, what is habitat? The living place of an animal or a plant is called habitat. Second question, give two examples for each. Terrestrial animals and aquatic animals. Terrestrial animal, cat and lion. Aquatic animals, fish and dolphin. So children, today's homework, 10 fill in the blanks and 2 question and answers. Okay, learn properly, write it clearly, send it to us. Thank you children.